Hello, my friends. We are the team Hotdog Oninos, and I'm Jacob Policaprio for that about to show you how to create a bootable this Windows and Linux installer, as well as guiding you of how should install it on our PC. So let's get started.
Hello, I am John Mark Panamukan of BSIT 2FG2. Here, I will explain to you the preparations and how to create a bootloop to install your OS. First things first, you need a flash drive that has a memory of minimum 8 GB because some ISO files that you want to create bootloop needs a much more storage. After that, you're good to go. Now, open a software that helps you create a bootloop. Here, I'm using Rufus. Next, select your storage, flash drive, then select an ISO file. Then, click Start. Also, in creating Linux bootloop, you just need an ISO file of Linux, just like this. Select and start. After that, you're good to go. Eject your storage and restart your PC. Then, select a boot menu to install your selected OS. Thank you.
Select install Ubuntu. So gonna see the keyboard layout. So select English, please click continue, and you see the update in other software. So it's up to you what would you like the features of your software. So click the install third party and click continue. Install now. So click continue. So gonna see where are you in your time. So click continue. So your name, I use user and I type the secret password. So plug it automatically. Continue. Once the installation complete, you see the restart now. Installation is complete. You need to restart your computer in order to use new installation. So click restart now. That's the easy way of installing Linux by Ubuntu. So thank you for watching.
So first, installer there. Do you see the different language? I click next and install now. Wait for a minute to set up is starting. Once you're done to the setup starting, do you see the applicable notice in license terms? And I click I accept the license terms and click next. So which type installation do you want? You see the install Windows and custom install Windows. So I click the custom Windows and I click next. So I wait until installing the Windows. PC. Wait just a moment. Once you're done, do you see the let's start with the region? Is this right? I click United States. So I click yes. Just a moment. Next, you see is the right keyboard layout. So you see another different countries. I click US and yes. Next, what the language do you want to use for your second keyboard? So I find the Philippines to my second keyboard. Yes, Filipino, Philippines. Click next. So which keyboard would you like to use? So I click US. So this is the easy way to installing the Windows 10. I hope you enjoy to watch and learn. Thank you for watching.